your trade of the day, and it's brought to you by Day Trade the World. Make sure you hit that QR code below and join the world's best prop firm today. Okay, look, this is going to be a very, very simple trade. It's one trade, and the best part about this is I didn't lose. So Xpev has been the absolute worst stock for me this week. I'm going to show you why. Like, I was trying to short all of these pops, right? And I couldn't believe it. We came in here, what was it, Wednesday? And we were up 40%, 50%, 70%. You add today, what we're doing today, another 15%. We're up 30% or something today. And generally, I had been like, okay, you know, oh, we're up here. This has to be the top. Let's go short. And then it would bounce up and I'd get out. Then I'd be like, okay, this has to be the top. Every time we stopped, it had to be the top. But today, we actually flipped the script a little bit on xpeng, and we wait until this is a 50-period moving average. Now, this is just a 1-minute chart. I use the 50-period moving average as sort of a trend change indicator. So, like, I'm in a short and the market is tanking. Like, if I was in this short right now, I might use this indicator right there to get out. If it bumps back up and changes direction, takes out the 50-period, then yeah, that's an upside move. So today, we missed the top. Normally, I'd be like, oh man, we missed the top, but we missed the top on purpose. As we were waiting for this, I remember xpeng was up here, 1230, 1240, and I was telling the viewers that, hey, if this ever breaks the 50 period, I want to go short. But then I said to myself, why don't I want to go short now then? If I'm already thinking that we're on the way down to the 50 period, why didn't we short in here first? Because I had no idea. You could say that same thing here, oh, I want to short if it gets to the 50 period, but then you short and then this happens. So I wait for the break, and then when the break comes, that's when it's fireworks. And we actually wind up getting, we pieced this out. Why? Because we were waiting for that big move. There's no doubt about that. I thought we could retrace all the way back down here. I mean, you see the chart. It's completely nuts. It's up. They might be up 70% this week, to be honest with you. I remember trading this thing last week at $7, $8. So you see where we are. Anyways, back in. Take advantage as it comes down. This was 50, so that's really why we started to get some more out here, 55s, 50s, and then look what happened. This line has moved, right? But we got out our last 20%, maybe 30%. It's not a huge trade, but we get the last piece out when it breaks back above these lines again there. It must have not been doing it here. Remember, this is a fluid line. It takes the last 50 periods, so that was probably the break upside plus with VWAP. So we had a good out on the way back, and it was actually a little bit better than where we got in. So anyways, xpeng, it's your trade of the day, and it's just because it's a little different. It's kind of a simple trade. Wait for the market to come down, break a line that I have on here for that exact reason, go short with it, capture, this is probably 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right? So that's probably 20 to 30% out of our last piece, but we were patient with it. We also gave it room to drop. If Xpev continued to go down, then we had room to the downside, right? We still had enough shares that we could have made that hero trade if it happened, but definitely get out on the way back up because I had no idea where it's going. Xpev, be patient with it like I was, and we were rewarded. It's your trade of the day.